Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and I am going to be bringing you my Valentine's series. Yes, we're starting in January because I've got some wonderful repurposing ideas using some things that I already have and repurposing them for Valentine's Day. And then I am going to be doing some decorating in this room. This is my formal living room. And as I shared with y'all at Christmas time, I have a lot of angels in this room. I love angels. And angels to me say Valentine's Day. Angels and hearts. It's all about love. So I'm going to be decorating this room, and it's going to be fun. I have some great ideas that are going on in my mind to share with you, as well as some fun craft and DIY ideas. And today I'm going to bring you my Dollar Tree haul that I'm going to be using for my craft projects for Valentine's Day. Okay, y'all, you know I like to craft on a budget. You know I like to decorate on a budget. But I'll tell you what, since I have been introduced to the Dollar Tree, I just can't believe some of the quality of the products that they put out for $1. It just amazes me. And so you can decorate seasonally, very inexpensive. When I show you what I got, I spent $10 for all of Valentine's Day. And everything else I'm repurposing using some of the things that I got. So to seasonally decorate for $10, I mean, really, talk about on a budget. So this is adorable. $1 for that sign. And then look at this. $1 for that. Now, you'd find that probably at Hobby Lobby for $14. Look at that. Now, I've got a craft project. I'm going to be splitting this, taking this apart. So actually, when I finish this craft project, it will have cost me 50 cents and 50 cents because I'm going to use each one of these separately. So run to your Dollar Tree. That's a steal. Don't tell them though, they might jack up the prices. Then I found this little sign, love, and it's pretty thick. It's like a hardboard. It's not cardboard, it's like a hardboard. And I'm gonna paint that. Now, you can find these at other craft stores and you're gonna pay more than $1, I can promise you. But I'm gonna do a craft project using this. Love. I love it. I love it. Now, bless your heart. I live here in the South, and we always say, darling, bless your heart. I thought this was priceless. $1. $1. How cute is that? These are felt hearts. 8 pieces. 8 pieces for $1, and they're a good size. They're a good size. So I'm gonna make a garland out of this because I think it's absolutely adorable. Then I found these little sticker packs. They're so cute. I mean, even if you have little girls, that would be adorable for them to use on a project, but wait till you see the project idea I have in my head for this. See, they're really sparkly. And this is the last one. Alrighty. And then I found these cute, let's see, I might have to take them out of the box so you can see them. These cute little heart fairy lights for $1. And I'm going to use that in one of my projects, but gosh, you can't beat that price. So that's what I got at the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to be using for my Valentine crafting. And like I said, for $10, I'm going to decorate for Valentine's Day. Now, I did spend a few more dollars at Walmart, and these are for craft projects that I'm making for Valentine's Day. Look at these adorable galvanized hearts. These were 98 cents. And they came in red and metal. So I've got a cute repurposing idea from a Christmas project that I did, which if you've watched my Christmas series, you'll recognize it as soon as I do it. But repurposing that using these galvanized metal hearts. And then for fun, I got this cute little jar. Now it's pretty small. Yeah, it's pretty small. And this was like $2 something. And I got a pack of the rocks, cute little hearts. These were at the Dollar Tree for $1. So I'm just gonna fill that up and use that on my tiered tray. I have a lot of things in my Valentine's box from previous years that I'm going to use to build my tier tray, and a couple of craft projects that I'm going to use to build my tier tray for Valentine's Day. So that's all I purchased for Valentine's Day. But when you see all the different things that I'm going to make out of this to be able to decorate with, I just can't believe it. Now I have a lot of silk flowers left over from my daughter-in-law's shower, her bridal shower, and that I'm going to use. And I've got some burlap left over from her bridal shower. I have some chalkboards. So I'm still pulling out of the wedding stuff, repurposing and using that for all of the different seasonal decorating that I've been doing. So it's been great. So whenever you have something like that, a wedding or a shower, a baby shower, you know, I always put those things in a tub, because you never know, if you love to craft like me, when you come up with an idea that you can pull from those resources. I have tubs in my garage on stacked shelves that are just filled with things that I've torn apart, that I've used for other projects, and I keep everything if it's in good shape so I can repurpose it into something else. So it's a great way to decorate on a budget. So I hope if you're not yet a subscriber, you will consider subscribing so you can follow me through my Valentine's series and all my fun DIYs and decorate with me's that I have in store for you. So let's get our Valentines on, friends. Sending you lots of love.